Well, Idaho's police and corrections officers are asking lawmakers to consider a change to the way Idaho classifies sex offenders. Currently, Idaho only has one category for all sexual offenders. The state used to have separate tiers for violent sexual predators, but that was rolled back in 2011 following a ruling from the Idaho Supreme Court. A proposed bill would implement a 5-tier system of classification, which would allow less strict registration and reporting requirements for minor offenders. And the new system would come at a cost. Now, to get it up and running, the Idaho Department of Correction, Idaho State Police, and Sexual Offender Management Board are asking for over $500,000. After that, the system would cost taxpayers about $900,000 a year. To help offset those costs, sex offenders would pay about $8 a year more to register themselves with the state. That would bring in about $292,000 each year.